Welcome guys, in this video I'm with the Samsung Galaxy S23 and this protection case Spigen Liquid Air, and I'm going to show you overview of this protection case. Okay, so let's take a look on the box. That's how it looks from each side. And let's open it. As you can see inside, we can find this paperwork. It's some kind of the wireless charger. It's made with the Spigen to get like a little bit faster wireless charging. And here we have our case. That's how it looks. As you can see, when you touch it, that's some kind of the fingerprints on it. And it's flexible case. Let's put it on the phone. Okay, it was easy to put it on. And by the way, I want to mention that I have tempered glass on the screen and tempered glass for camera set for my lenses right here. And right now you can see that unfortunately my lenses are protected with this glass, but it's not working with this case. Take a look. So it's not sticking right here, and it's all about that this protection right here, it's just one tap for 3 lenses. If I have right here the separate glass for each lens, there will be no problem, because this part are actually the biggest problem for this case. But we can still try to use it. Let's see how it works. So we can try volume buttons. Okay, they working fine. Let's take a look for the power key. It's also working fine. Let's take a look for the inputs. At the bottom we can find input for the USB-C cable with the easy access, as you can see. There is cutout for speaker. At the top we can find also cutout for our microphone, and this case goes a little bit above my additional protection, so it means that when you put it like that you will not scratch your screen probably. And it goes the same for the lenses, but as you can see right here, it is not sticking properly to my phone. It's all about this additional camera lenses. So if you want to get the protection of your lenses, just remember to buy separate glass for each lens, or you can also get this kind of the case with this big cutout for your cameras. So right here with this case, you don't have to mind about what kind of the lens protection you have. So that's good to know before buying this Spigen. It was the Liquid Air case. That's nice grip on this case, and it's not expensive, so I think that I can recommend you. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.